Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by washing your glass Hummingbird feeder thoroughly with hot soapy water. Use a bottle brush to scrub the ports, base, and reservoir until no residue remains. Inspect the feeder for hairline cracks, damaged seals, and clogged ports before you proceed. Remove any old nectar and rinse 3 times with hot water. Gather ingredients now so you are ready. Use 1 cup granulated sugar and 4 cups water for the standard nectar ratio. Bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil to sterilize and dissolve sugar effectively. Remove the pot from heat and stir in 1 cup granulated sugar until the crystals dissolve completely. Do not boil the mixture after dissolving sugar. Stop heating once dissolved. Let the nectar cool to room temperature on the counter, uncovered for airflow. Never add red dye. Plain sugar water is the recommended and safest option for hummingbirds. Pour cooled nectar into the clean glass feeder slowly to avoid bubbles and spills. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace so the liquid can expand slightly in warm sunlight. Securely reattach the base and ensure seals are snug to prevent leaks or ants. Hang the feeder in a shaded area, 3.5 to 6 feet above ground, away from direct sun and predators. Clean and refill every 3 to 5 days when hot, or once weekly in cooler weather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.